On job sites all across the Americas, whenever productivity and profitability are on the line, you'll find DEUTZ engines getting the job done each and every day. DEUTZ Corporation, a subsidiary of DEUTZ AG, is totally dedicated to providing the high-quality support customers across the Americas have come to expect and deserve. As the needs of our customers have grown, so has our footprint. For more than 150 years, DEUTZ engines have supplied customized power to a wide variety of equipment types and market segments. From our 137,000 square foot headquarters facility in Norcross, Georgia, we are committed to providing optimized power solutions from the drawing board to prototype to production release. From this location, we serve as a sales, service, parts, and application center for the Americas. We employ more than 300 people who are committed to serving the needs of our OEM and distribution partners, fully supporting a range of 25 to 830 horsepower diesel and natural gas engines. A short drive from our headquarters in Norcross will take you to our 120,000 square foot value-add production and DEUTZ Exchange facility in Pendergrass, Georgia. In 2016, we launched a series of DEUTZ Power Centers and Service Centers to complement our existing distribution network. These centers, located in the metropolitan areas of Kansas City, Missouri, Chicago, Illinois, St. Louis, Missouri, and Charlotte, North Carolina, serve as one-stop shops, supporting OEM partners and end users who need quick, reliable access to DEUTZ genuine parts and service, new engines, and DEUTZ Exchange remanufactured engines. We took great care when planning out our footprint because DEUTZ engines play a role in every imaginable market segment, including oil and gas exploration and refinement, aerial lift and power generation unit rentals, construction and road work projects, and aggregate processing plants across the continent. In fact, each year, we deliver more than 50,000 new engines to customers across the Americas. Wherever there is work to be done, you'll find a DEUTZ engine. Our OEM partners require not only the right power solution, but also the engineering, manufacturing, and industry leadership experience that has become our hallmark. Our engineering teams work closely with both globally recognized OEMs and mid-sized niche OEMs that may require only a few hundred engines each year. Based in Norcross, our application and design engineering teams work closely together throughout the entire product release process. They listen carefully to the needs and ideas of our OEM partners and apply highly sophisticated application engineering guidance to transfer those ideas into reliable and achievable technology. System integration support is the hallmark of our engineering teams, whether the need is for custom power pack assembly or other optimized engine configurations. And whether optimal engine specs call for EC kits, cold climate kits, water pump kits, or other customized solutions, our engineering teams deliver. Some components have been specifically designed by our engineering teams. Often, our engineering department provides the final design solution for our value-add teams to implement on one of our 3 assembly lines in Pendergrass. Each year, we ship more than 15,000 engines to our OEM partners in just-in-time fashion. We minimize costs for our OEM customers by leveraging existing global purchasing agreements in place for many of the key components. In many cases, we not only assemble the engines according to spec, but also add operating fluids, providing seamless assembly into our OEM customers' units. The DEUTZ Exchange production facility is also located in Pendergrass, where our teams have remanufactured nearly 18,000 engines over the past 10 years. DEUTZ Exchange remanufactured engines are immediately available when customers need an engine right away. In addition to servicing customers all across the Americas, we have exclusive agreements with JLG and Terex AWP reconditioning programs. All DEUTZ Exchange engines go through a 300-point reconditioning process and are assembled with 100% DEUTZ genuine parts according to the latest engineering specs. All DEUTZ Exchange engines are confidently backed by a national 3-year limited, fully transferable warranty. DEUTZ Corporation's future product strategy is dynamic and exciting. While diesel will always be at the core of our business, our development path also moves us into interesting new dimensions. For the heavy-duty diesel market, we have an exciting range of new industrial engines that can produce up to 830 horsepower, including a new 4-cylinder 400 horsepower engine that rivals our competitor's 6-cylinder product, but in a much more compact platform. We are also investing heavily into low emissions, alternative fuel technology in the quest to reduce carbon footprints while also improving the efficiency of our customers' products. These engines range from compact propane and gasoline fuel models for mobile applications to natural gas and even larger stationary products powered by waste wellhead gas. Our generation demands more electrical power than ever before, and DEUTZ Corporation's commitment to social and environmental responsibility will serve emerging sectors like distributed power generation well. Our investment strategy has future market needs covered.
Going to change in their demands of drives, and we decided in our strategy that we need to be provider for any kind of drives which the industry is demanding, and therefore we are looking now into different solutions, combustion engines and electric, full electric or hybrid engines.
DEUTZ is also making significant investments in gas and diesel electric hybrid technology and even battery-only solutions being actively developed by our E-DEUTZ program. Our electrification strategy is at the forefront of the industrial powertrain business, helping our customers embrace tomorrow's world today, truly an example of the DEUTZ difference. It's been said that if you can make it in the Americas market, you can succeed anywhere. Customers and applications here provide a unique set of challenges, and manufacturers must meet or exceed expectations to excel in this market and set the global standard. That's why we're constantly working closely with DEUTZ AG to provide the right solutions, not just for today, but also for tomorrow. It might be possible for some to become complacent after decades of serving as a market leader around the world. And it might be possible for some subsidiaries to rest on a record of success that spans decades. However, it's not in our nature, because we're driven to work as hard as our OEM partners and customers do every single day. Our global corporate principles will continue to guide us for decades to come.
Innovation.
Quality.
Trust.
Responsibility.
Success.